Hello, I'm Peter Aziz. I'm here today to talk about my upcoming magical membership workshop on sacred geometry in healing and magic. In this workshop, we're going to make the sacred geometry come alive, show what it's really about and how it can expand your consciousness into new dimensions, which can be very useful in healing, but also to actually for your evolution and your workings of magic to bring in power. Covering a few well-known symbols, such as the Flower of Life, which you've probably all heard of. I'm going to go into its full magical potential and how it opens doorways to the gods and brings in the combination of powers that can help us do anything. I'm going to go further to discuss Metatron's cube and a few Vedic yantras. And from there, of course, I'm going to be open to you, whatever symbols you want to bring to discuss further. We'll go into more depth. And of course, I'll probably have some empowerments for them all as well to take you further. So if you're interested in actually using sacred geometry in your life to actually further your healing and your magic and expand your consciousness, then please sign up now. I look forward to working with you.